This is a video to explain how to transfer data from Refworks to Endnote. Refworks is reference management software used to store bibliographic data. I am actually using Refworks at school to store my articles, but it's not the text of the articles, it's actually data about the articles, like the title, the source, keywords, and abstract, and so on is all saved in here. Endnote is another reference management software, and I wanted to test it out to see how it would work, to decide which I should use going forward. So I decided to transfer all my data from Refworks to Endnote, and this is how I did it. It's fairly simple, actually. It's not very complicated. Here I am logged into Refworks. It says welcome Femina Odetta Moore at the top, North Central University. I have 119 references in here right now, a mix of journal articles, books, etc. They're different types. So what you could do is select specific references to transfer. I have 3 selected here. I could scroll down, select 2 more by clicking the checkbox. I could also transfer all of the data here to Endnote. How I would do that is, select what I wanted, or leave them blank. Then I would go up here to references, that top menu, select export, and see here it defaults to selected 5. These are the 5 items I selected prior to selecting references export. It defaults to selected 5. You could also select the 25 on the page, or all in list, the 119. I will select all in list. You also need to select the export format. There are a number of options like citation list, tab delimited. This first option, the default, is good, the bibliographic software. That applies to Endnote, Reference Manager, and ProCite. And once you've done that, you should click Export References. It's processing. Completed. Here, there's a pop-up. That's because I'm blocking pop-ups. But here, I just allowed it to open. Another option is to click here if you did not receive the file, and it would also take you to this window. This is not the end of it, of course. This data is not yet in Endnote. This is for creation of a file to import into Endnote. So what you would need to do here is create a text file. I use Notepad. Then you could simply copy all of this data. Here again, you could select specific references to transfer, or everything in the list. So here it is, and this is the type of data that's shown. It's TY journal. It has an ID. That's a title. Competitive intelligence becomes even more important. We have keywords associated with this article. Here's an abstract for the article. It's from Trends magazine. That's the URL for the article where I could find it, and type journal article. So you have this data for each one of the items, and this is what is going to be transferred into Endnote. So you would need to save this, save it somewhere, give it a name, and I've already done that. Here is my file. I called it Refworks export file to endnote.txt. I had a lot less articles in there, and I transferred this file. Once you've done this, you move over to Endnote. I am logged in right now. This is Endnote. I am logged in. See, I'm welcome Femina Odetta. I have 119 references right now. It actually matches Refworks. These are my folders. And I'm pointing this out because you can transfer that data into specific folders here, or choose to create a new folder, or even put it in an unfiled area. It's kind of like a holding place for the data. But these are my folders. So to import the data, I would select Collect up here, go to the Collect item in the menu, click on Import References. You selected Export in Refworks, you need to select Import in Endnote. So here you would actually select the file. So browse and select that file. That's what mine's called. The import option, there's actually an option here for Refworks import. I believe it was. There it is, Refworks import. And then you would select whether it's a folder, a specific folder that's already created and available out there, maybe the unfiled section, or a new group, which would be a new folder. And once you select it, you click import, and that's the end of it. So this concludes the video on how to transfer data from Refworks to Endnote. I hope it was very informative, and please leave me any comments. Thank you.